Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm finally ready. I'm sorry I didn't do a proper intro. This is the OTD today. I'm just going into town and I need to go and get some bits for my friend's birthday because I made her this little thingy. I'm not going to show it because she already knows, but I made her this sorry. I made her this little like college thing, like full of her like photos. And then I'm going to decorate it, so I need to get some things for that. And also going out with my cousins, so that'll be fun. But yeah, it's a little calm day today. It's a Saturday. And I also might do some revision today, because I need to lock in. Because mocks are in like, I would say under a month, and that is not okay. But yeah, this is the OTD. It's just a jumper. This, I have no clue where this is from. I think it's a New Look or H&M. And the jeans are from H&M. I'm gonna probably head out now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to help my channel. I'll be posting twice a week now because I just want to like get back into that like cycle of like YouTube cycle. But yeah, and I do miss vlogging so much and it's so much fun. But yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video and yeah, let's go. Hey guys.
Oh,
We're so busy. Spinning boots.
Hey guys.
Yeah, she got a little, what was it, 3 for 2?
Yeah, spent 40 and was gonna spend 60.
Yeah?
I can't, every time they're late when you're at school.
Just scared that my phone's gonna get taken. So I'm like so close to it, but then it will look weird on thingy.
Got the new polar bear thing. Polar bear. Just give them the taste test, guys.
Yeah, it's part of the Christmas thing.
It's not. Is it part of the Christmas one?
Yeah, polar bear.
That is quite cute. Taste it.
Tastes like raw.
Raw? I don't take, like, I know it's cake pop, but like,
Raw.
guys, I don't know if I should get it. Do I get it? It's 20 quid and it's got a couple of like knick-knacks wrong with it. I'd laugh if you dropped that moment to the disaster.
Do what?
I got my cracker.
Yeah, she's got a little nutcracker.
You can use guys.
And now we're going to my... Yeah, we're gonna go and get food because we're starving. Literally starving.
I'm going to walk down this hill.
I know. Yeah, I got some things. I'll do a little haul when I get home because I need to decorate it and stuff. But yeah.
You can do that. Upside down. Oh. Right,
It is currently about 8 PM and I'm finally finished. This is the result. I love it, it's literally the cutest thing ever. This is the finished result. It's so cute, I love it. But if you guys need any birthday ideas, then I'll definitely do like a video on that. But this is the one that I've done. It's on Pinterest, it's the cutest thing ever. Cost like £25 all together, which I found really good, but it's just really thoughtful and I love it. Hey guys, it's currently the next day, it's Sunday. Unfortunately I have school tomorrow, can't be asked, but this is the fit to go to the fire, which you can't really see. And I got this little jumper, it's actually so comfy. And then I'm gonna wear a coat because it's actually freezing outside. I also bought these lights yesterday. They're the cutest things ever. They're like so Christmassy. But yeah, I'm just gonna head to the fireworks, and it's about 5:06 p.m. and I think the fireworks go off like 6:30. So yeah, but it's Sunday and it's firework day. Yeah, there's a fit. Yeah, let's get going.